Hi, Kinder friends! Today we are going to use lines to create shapes to build a beautiful fairy tale castle. We've talked a lot about lines and we've talked a lot about shapes, and now we're going to put our knowledge to use to make the castle. One thing we need to know to make the castle is the difference between vertical lines and horizontal lines. Vertical lines go up and down. Horizontal lines go side to side. So let's get started drawing our castle with vertical up and down and horizontal side to side lines. So grab yourself some paper, and today you get to decide which way your paper goes. If you want a wide castle, put your paper horizontal, the wide way. If you want a tall castle, put your paper the vertical way, up and down. Once you've decided, you are going to draw a horizontal side-to-side line really close to the bottom, but not on the bottom. Maybe just a fingernail above the bottom of your paper. And we also want to leave space on both sides of the line as well. When you're ready, draw a horizontal line across the bottom of the paper. Leave space at the bottom and leave space on the sides too. This will be the bottom of our castle. Let's draw the sides with two tall vertical lines on each side of the first one. When I have to draw straight lines, I hold down the paper with one hand while I draw with the other. Try to make your vertical tall lines the same length, and leave a little bit of space at the top of your paper for the roof. First, let's make some towers for our castle. We're going to add a horizontal line and then a vertical line, and that creates a shape called a rectangle, and we're going to use the rectangle for a tower of our castle. Let's do the same thing on the other side. A horizontal line and then a long vertical line. You're doing great. We need to add a couple more shapes on top of our towers to make the roof. Do you know what shape this is? That's right. 2 triangles on top of your towers will create the perfect roof for your castle. Let's add another horizontal side-to-side line in between the towers. On top of your horizontal line, draw a few little squares. That really makes it look like a castle now, huh? Now our castle is basically built, but we need to make it look even cooler. We need to start adding details to our castle. You could add bumpy lines in the roof triangles to look like shingles. You can add windows and doors. Inside of the doors, you can add lines to make it look like wood. You can use all different types of shapes for windows. You could even add bricks around your windows and doors like this. You can add a chain with a bunch of little circles for the big drawbridge of your castle. And then you could even add polka dots or stripes or extra decorations that you want on your castle. I'm just gonna put some horizontal side-to-side lines on my towers to decorate those. And when you're done with your castle, you might want to draw something in the sky like a sun or some clouds or even a dragon. You could even draw people looking out of the windows. You could draw a wizard looking out the window, a unicorn looking out the window. I'm going to draw a little princess up at the tallest tower of my castle. When your drawing is all done, you get to color in your castle with any colors you want. I love the rainbow, so I colored in my castle with all the rainbow colors in rainbow order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. No peekaboo spots allowed, and when you're all done coloring, you're all done with your castle. I hope you had a great time building your castle with vertical and horizontal lines, and I will see you next time.